Hi, this is your teacher, Barbara Rademacher, and the noise you hear in the background is my dog playing with her toy. I am going to do this homework for you to show you how to use the Texas Instruments calculator with your homework. Now this over here is a video I made some time ago about how to use the TI-84, which actually means TI-82, 83, and 84 calculator. Over here is question 1. And notice over here I'm going to be using the Wabbitemu version of the Texas Instruments graphing calculator. The one I like the best. The only one, really honestly, I know how to use. So I'm going to turn that on. I'm going to click on question 1. And it says 5 times 2/3. I wonder if I can make that bigger. No, can't. All right, so 15 times 2/3 rather. So I come over here to the calculator. And I click on the 1 and the 5 for 15. Then the times button. Then 2/3 is 2 divided by 3. And I hit enter, and the answer is 10. So I come over here and the answer 10 is already there because I did that problem already. Now let's go on to question 2. And this says 1/4 divided by 1/28. For this, I actually need to use parentheses. So left paren, 1 divided by 4, that gives me 1/4, and I close my parenthesis. Then I hit the divide key, and parenthesis, 1 divided by 28, parenthesis closed, and I hit enter, and the answer is 7. So I come over here to the answer block, and I hit 7, and I come down here and I check answer, and I'm told I did it right. So now I go to question 3. Question 3 is 9/14 plus 1/14. Well, that'll be 10/14, and 10/14 reduces to 5/7. But what if you don't know that? Your calculator will do it for you. So when I'm adding, I don't need to use parentheses, but you can if you want to. So 9 divided by 14 gives me 9/14, and then I'm going to add 1 divided by 14, and then I'm going to hit enter. Well, that's not the answer I want because look at the blue words underneath the problems. It says simplify your answer, type a whole number, fraction, or mixed number. So the answer they want is a whole number, a fraction, or a mixed number. So to get that, to get a fraction, I'm going to push the math button. And notice that frac is up here at the top. That means I'm going to get a fraction. So I'll hit enter. And it says, okay, I'm going to make a fraction of the answer. And hit enter. And there you go. And your answer is automatically given to you in lowest terms. So I come over here, I click on the answer box, and I go over to the toolbox, and I click on the fraction tool, which gives me a blue box up here and a blue box down there. I'll click on the 5 up here. So here I go, 5. Oh, but that's for the calculator. Okay, this is the computer. So 5, and then I click on the bottom box, 7, and I check my answer, and it tells me I did this correctly. Excellent. All right, so let's go to number 4. Now we're adding two fractions that have different denominators, different bottom numbers. So to do this, I'm going to clear my screen to make more room. Clear. And I'm going to add 2 divided by 3, which is 2/3, plus 1 divided by 6, which is 1/6. I hit enter. Then I go to math. Frac is at number 1. 1 is already highlighted, so all I have to do is hit enter. And then enter again, and my answer is 5/6. 5/6. So I come over here to the answer box, and I click on the fraction tool, and I put a 5 up here and a 6 down there, and I check my answer, and it's correct. All right, let's do number 5. Remember, you can pause this recording, you can backtrack it, so you can always go over and over and over something you didn't quite understand. All right, now I'm going to add 5/27 plus 1/6. So let's add 5 divided by 27 plus 1 divided by 6, enter, and then math, and then frac, and then enter. 19/54. I click on the answer box. I click on the fraction tool. I put a 19 on the top, and I put a 54 on the bottom, and I check my answer, and it's correct. I love this calculator. Let's go to number 6. Finally we're going to subtract. I'm going to clear my screen. 7 divided by 9 minus 13 divided by 45. Now, you know what? I could hit enter, but I really don't have to. It's enough to go to math, and then frac, and then enter. And I didn't even have to get the decimal. It's enough just to get the fraction answer. I come over here to the answer box. I hit frac. I hit the fraction tool. And then I put a 22 on the top and a 45 on the bottom. And I check my answer. Now, this is getting kind of long, this video is, so I'm going to go ahead and make a video, and then I'll put the second 4 numbers on another video so that you can get up and move around. Talk to you later.